Hi, this is a presentation by Steve Mackay, nuts and bolts of smart instruments standards, and just a quick run through some of the issues here. Again, I don't want to waste too much time. The slides will give you lots of information, but just a quick review of smart instruments. So by Steve Mackay, Engineering Institute of Technology, and we're linked to the IDC Technologies short courses. So just a quick summary of what's out there, and really just to say which way the market's going in this quick 5-minute presentation. There's a whole lot of a range of standards: ASI, DeviceNet, Profibus DP, Profibus PA, Foundation Fieldbus, HART, wireless HART, and then of course the good old Ethernet and TCP/IP. So you can see here very quickly that there's different attributes here, and this has actually been put together by Emerson and Jim Russell. Thanks for that, guys. And it was done a few years ago, but it still gives you a pretty good idea. Ethernet obviously is the cheapest, but for field intelligence, you probably find Foundation Fieldbus pretty good function blocks. But probably the most important is Profibus, which is very popular. And Profibus PA and Foundation Fieldbus have the same physical layer. So you've got different layers when you look at it from a communication point of view. And for digital control, variable speed drives, DeviceNet's pretty popular, proposed by Rockwell. So as far as Fieldbus is concerned, there's always a debate about what the big opportunities are, but without a shadow of a doubt, wiring does save you money, but basically what happens is that you've got a lot of extra information, and all these contribute to give you a really good solution. So a lot more information about the operation of the instrument. Obviously, it's quite important. So here's an example of savings in terms of space. There's a traditional I/O, and here's Fieldbus, a lot of I/O. So putting everything over a pair of wires is a considerably better idea than trying to transfer the separate pairs of wires for every signal. Which Fieldbus is right for you? The inevitable debate, is there the best one? Well, I think we've realized now that it really depends on a lot of different things. For example, if you're in a discrete operation, or discrete continuous, or a continuous process plant. So, for example, a continuous process plant, you may end up with Profibus DP, which is RS485 based. PLCs may be using Modbus, and you may be using Foundation Fieldbus or Profibus PA, which is used for intrinsic safety environment as well. So it depends on your environment, who you've got a relationship with in terms of suppliers, and your long-term cost of ownership. So those are probably more important issues than just focusing on the technology itself. So here's an example, for example, of Foundation Fieldbus, which is very good for a hazardous area, or you could indeed use Profibus PA, same physical layer. Very good for intrinsic safety environment. Lurking in the background, of course, you've got good old Ethernet, which is what I just want to spend a few minutes talking about once we've spoken about this. Foundation Fieldbus is a very good arrangement for using function blocks to do the actual programming or configuration, should we say. Profibus is also another opportunity. You've got Profinet, which runs over Ethernet, and you've got Profibus DP and Profibus PA, extremely popular, probably the number one in terms of penetration. But arguably, you could say that the Foundation Fieldbus has a far superior technical layer in terms of the user's operation. And then again, lurking in the background, you've got, of course, Ethernet, TCP/IP. So really, what's happening is that there's a very strong growth in Ethernet and TCP/IP, and that's likely to be the name of the game in the future. So that's really the future is Ethernet. Whether it actually goes right down to the field level is, of course, still a little bit of a debate, but you can see a lot of variable speed drives, analytical instruments all connecting through Fieldbus and TCP/IP, which is a discussion for another day. So thank you very much for tuning in, and hopefully this is of some benefit to you in talking about smart instruments. Thank you. Cheerio, this is Steve Mackay signing out.